Hello everybody. I just want to say a small presentation of our next activity for the Chamber of Commerce, the French Estonian Chamber of Commerce. We have a very nice event in collaboration with the British Estonian Chamber of Commerce. It's on the 17th of February. Please join us for a delicious cognac tasting organized by one of our members. You will discover the different quality, different story of cognac, and it's a nice opportunity to meet other members and make some networking event. Please register on our website ccifa.ee and follow the FIENTA registration to be sure that you will be part of a great evening of cognac tasting in a nice and in collaboration with the British Estonian Chamber of Commerce in a nice environment.